Oh yes guys, before the video starts, we need you to like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, please turn on post notification because you're now turn on the post notification for the post notification. Post them. Enjoy this video guys.
Thank you God for waking up this morning. Thank you God for breath. I don't breath stink.
Relax, get lit in that. Yo, that's yo, in that too much. Yo, that's like their body that.
Yes, Jesus, Lord.
Who the man they talk to? I can't, God. I can't. I can't, God, you talk to. Yo, who you talk to, God? Yo, you man, sit around. You know God?
Jesus, forgive me, Jesus. You pronounce for God.
You know God? You know it's where God lives?
Jesus, forgive me.
Yo, that was that. Yo, me never know sound fool, you know. Who not talk to? Who they in the sky? Yeah. You see nobody in the sky to reply to you? Yeah. Yo, left and right. Yo, John was there. Yo.
Since you say God no read, come on that green tree. Go say that. Come on that green tree. Come.
What you say? Get shook on the knee while you eat that green tree.
Come say that. Come on that green tree. Come say that.
Watch this.
Tell
me what? Yo, this a tree I can't shot me, my youth. One green tree can't shot me. This is nothing. What is this? Jesus even real. I got that Jesus in name. Yo, we even know where his name is not real. We even look.
Jesus is Lord.
Chai. Hey, wait, where I go? I want to go in the link description and subscribe to Parree Cooking. The link there in the description. What I want to do is subscribe to Parree Cooking and make you know say I Tev Don say no. Please do this for me. Please. Link there in the description. Go subscribe to Parree Cooking and comment and make you know say I Tev Don say no. Make you know, you know. Subscribe.
Every gal want lick it G like lollipop. Me take away a boy gal right on the spot. Me no power with no loot when the whole of we a chopping. A tilt up mark X rim 12. Every gal want lick it G like lollipop.